Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing warm and cozy neutral look which is perfect for this upcoming Thanksgiving. I hope you guys like the video. Please do hit the like and subscribe button and let's get started. We'll start the makeup by prepping our skin, and for that I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Spray it on the entire face and gently dab it. Next, I'll be using Sugar Cosmetics Pore Minimizing Primer. This will give me smooth skin and minimize the pores and also keep my makeup last long. Moving on with concealer. Today I'm using Tarte Concealer in the shade Light Matte Sand, and taking a damp beauty sponge, will gently dab it.
The rhythm is so good. You coming over, just like I told ya. We won't hold back.
And for my base, I'm using Kiko Milano foundation in the shade Neutral 30.
You make me feel good just the way that I should. You make me feel good.
To set my base, I'm applying Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I prefer using a damp beauty sponge instead of a powder brush as it gives me more smoother base. I'm using my favorite Morphe X James Charles palette for this look. Dipping into the shade Code James, I'm applying it on the crease area. Next, I'm taking the shade Mary and blend it in wiping motion.
I know I just met you, but I know you like me. We won't.
Using the shade Boutique, gently blend it over the previous two shades.
I want you to know that you make me feel good, real good, feel good. You make me.
I'm going to apply the shade No Beans in the outer corner of the eye and blend it towards the top lash line. Keep applying the eyeshadow until you are happy with the intensity. I'm smoking out the lower lash line and I'm using the same shades using a pencil brush.
You feel good, real good, feel good. I'll make you feel good just the way that I should. I'll make you feel good, real good, feel good. I'll make you feel good just the way.
I'm wearing Brown Bag Intense Kajal by Sugar Cosmetics on my waterline. To contour my face, I will be using NYX Love Contours All palette.
What are you doing?
For blusher, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Mini Blush in the shade Coral Climax 05.
You want things to go back to normal, like every day when you.
Using the same NYX palette, highlighting my brow bone, the inner corner and the cheekbone area.
Tuesday night, milkshake got her extra fries, cause you know I'll be eating yours when I run out of mine. But lately, you've been missing from my daily. You've been missing. Taking away.
For my lips, I'm using Kiko Milano Nude Shade Lip Pencil in the shade 532, and today I'm wearing Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in the shade Kiss.
Details, and if you lie to me, that's cheap. Yeah, I'm gonna need to hear you speak. Tell me what happened to crazy for me, no control, spilling your emotional, fighting over who gets off.
To complete my makeup, I am using Makeup Fixer Spray by Swiss Cosmetics and also using NYX Radiant Finish Setting Spray.
What are you doing? You can't give the feeling up.
So here's the finished look. I love how this look turned out. It is very warm, nude and perfect for this Thanksgiving, which is coming up pretty soon. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, then please hit the like and subscribe button. I wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. See you in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey, with me, yes,